Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Micro Crypto. Today we have Luna, and with Luna a possible risk that we might have to deal with. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Patreon/MicroCrypto is the link you will find in the description box and in the comment section. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, buying scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now into Luna USDT. So what we have right here is the 95 that we closed above, and we approached even getting a higher high and an all-time high just for a few cents before. Okay, 103.6 was the previous all-time high. Right now it is 104.83. So what is next for Luna? Can we get even higher, or there is a possible high hidden risk that you should be aware of? We are going to discuss about everything. Next price targets, what you should be doing, do not worry about that. So first of all, let's see a little bit the risk metrics. A high risk on the commodity channel index on the daily frame with a lower high pattern as we were approaching the top. And a little bit of a higher risk due to the fact that we have a little bit of high risk on the commodity channel index. Therefore, even though that the daily RSI hasn't approached above the 70, we have a high risk. Also, we are having a possible bearish RSI divergence on the daily, which is the most problematic thing to have and which could lead us into lower support levels if this plays out. Stochastic RSI is not in an overbought. That's a good scenario right there. We might be getting upwards actually, and we might be getting even higher, avoiding maybe the daily bearish RSI divergence. And of course, the Fisher transform rate here had a very huge high risk right now. It is still in an overbought situation, so we have high risk with the technical analysis, with the risk metrics. MACD is looking good, although we do not have an uptrend that we had back here, and we might be getting a bearish cross between the blue line and the signal line. Blue line, the oscillator, MA on the signal line, the orange line right here. Eventually, we might be getting further down. Let's see Luna against Bitcoin chart and Bitcoin chart as well. For Luna against Bitcoin chart, this should be a very strong correction coming, and I feel like we are going to go lower to the next support levels, right? I think that we can manage to go to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement probably, and then we will see about that. If we hold the 0.5, then we are all set, we are all good to go. 0.2022610. We can go there and maybe find a buying pressure. We are going to see that as well, and we are going to investigate after if we hold it or not. For the time being, we have one more support level, the 0.20226. Alright, so therefore these are the major support levels. We have a very high risk for the 4-hour frame right here, and therefore that's the reason why Luna against Bitcoin could be correcting a little bit right now. And we could go to the next support levels right here. Of course, we want to avoid that. However, we have a very high risk. Bitcoin, on the other hand, didn't help at all Luna, for now at least, to just go even higher. You can see that Bitcoin is having kind of a sideways price action. When we reach the 33 to 45k, we are having a kind of sideways price action going on, and we are waiting to have a breakout right now above the 45k. So we are getting crashes, we are getting corrections going on, but they are not the same corrections as we used to have, for example, right here. Okay, we are not going to form a lower low pattern. We are not going below the 30,000 USD for now. All right, so therefore this is a little bit different. These corrections are slightly different, and we hope that we can get maybe a buying pressure so we can help Luna as well to get to the next targets. The next target are the 110 and possibly the 150, but for now we have to pay close attention to the bearish RSI divergence that has been formed, especially if this is a red day and we do not form a green candlestick today, then it is surely going to be formed. The only thing that we want to avoid this, and we can avoid that, is for us to get on this day today a nice green candlestick up all the way to 110 before we go down. Right, but this is not sure because we have Bitcoins in an indecisive position right there, and we have Luna against Bitcoin that it is going to correct and probably it's going to lower levels, and therefore if this happens then Luna will probably stay in the reds today, and we will be forming for sure the daily bearish RSI divergence that will lead to a further correction. As I told you, the only thing that we can hope for is of course to just get even higher right now, and of course we need now to get bullish again to cross the 110, and from the 110 position right there we need to be a little bit cautious, and of course we are optimistic, we stay optimistic, but we have to tell the truth to the audience. So right here we have this possible bearish RSI divergence formed, and we have continuous bearish RSI divergences on the 4-hour frame as well. You need to be very careful for Luna, and of course yesterday, as you remember, I told you that we are going probably to 110, but things have changed mainly due to the fact that Bitcoin had a correction going on, and therefore it didn't actually help the altcoins form a little bit of a higher low pattern right here. But for Luna, it means that we might be forming a possible bearish RSI divergence. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.